Meaning of drafter.
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 Drafter. A drafter is someone who creates technical drawings and plans using computer-aided design, CAD, or traditional drafting techniques. They typically work in industries such as engineering, architecture, manufacturing, and construction. Drafters use specialized software and tools to create detailed and accurate drawings of buildings, machines, products, and structures. These drawings are used to guide the production process and ensure that everything is built to precise specifications. A skilled drafter must have strong visualization skills, attention to detail, and a good understanding of technical concepts.